This is how you can create a Nigerian accent voiceover using Google AI Studio. I'm going to explain in detail to you. But first, before we go on, let me quickly show you a sample of the one that I created sound like.
My husband's friend came around some time ago. He came to drop something for my husband, and when he was leaving, he asked that I give him a hug cause he was feeling lonely. His wife traveled abroad earlier this year.
So you can see that the voiceover actually sounds like a Nigerian lady reading. You can also create a Nigerian man voiceover using this website. So what you just need is to pay attention and watch this video and follow every instruction which I'm going to be giving. This is going to be a direct video and it's going to be the shortest video on this channel. So let's quickly go ahead. Now, when you come to Google AI Studio, first, this is going to be the home page that you are going to see. So from this home page, what you will do is come here. For those that are seeing this for the first time, you click on text to speech with Gemini. You need to sign in with your Google account, so do not forget that. When you come here, you will see single speaker audio and we have multi-speaker audio. This multi-speaker audio is used to generate voiceover for podcasts. I'll also talk about this later in my upcoming video, so if you don't want to miss this, kindly like and subscribe to this channel. But for this, let's click on single speaker audio. This is where you can select the voiceover actor you want to use over your video. Now, you can click on this play option to listen to how each of these voices sounds like.
Ready to build something awesome today?
Now, let's check this.
Got a project in mind?
That's a male voice.
What do you want to explore?
A male voice.
Ready to make something amazing?
Alright, so that's a female voice. Select the one that will be suitable for the kind of voiceover you are going after. So for this, I'm going to just select this to use this as an example. And now, this text area, this is where you enter in the voiceover text you want to use. But remember, if you are creating a long video, let's say a 30-minute video, a 20-minute video, for your first generation, it generates 10 minutes, 55 seconds audio for you. So what you need to do, you need to break your text down, then you generate the voiceover badge by badge. But another problem you are going to be facing is the inconsistency in the voice, and I'm going to solve that problem for you in this video. Now let's move on. So in this place where you see the style instructions, this is where you enter in your style instruction, and this is what is going to make your voiceover sound like a Nigerian accent or any country you want to use of your choice. I've prepared this voiceover instruction, so I'm going to copy this particular voiceover instruction from here. Now, when I copy that, I'll come back to the Google AI Studio. Now, I'll paste in that style instruction. Read aloud in a storytelling Nigerian warm and friendly accent. So let's call accent tone. So that's what I want to include that. So if it's a female voice, a male voice, you can quickly specify, but this is the style instruction that I'm going to use. Now we are going to generate this voiceover and then we'll take a preview of the voiceover to see how the voiceover sounds like. Our voiceover is ready. Let's just listen to how this voiceover sounds like.
In the vast twinkling tapestry of the night sky lived a little star named Sparkle.
So you can see that voiceover, it sounds Nigerian. So now you can go ahead to download this voiceover. Before we end this video, let me quickly explain this to you. Since Google AI Studio can generate a 20-minute voiceover at first, and you are going to cut your text badge by badge, always maintain this type prompt and always maintain your voice that you have selected so that you can have that same voice every time you generate your voiceover.